Hello and welcome. I, Bhavani Singh Rathod, welcome you all to the channel. Today we will be knowing about a very important operation done by Indian Army in 1984. The 1984 Operation Blue Star was the biggest internal security mission ever undertaken by the Indian Army. Operation Blue Star was the Indira Gandhi's solution to the haywire going law and order situation in Punjab. Indira Gandhi, the then Prime Minister of India, ordered the military operation to remove Sikh militants who were accumulating weapons in the Harminder Sahib complex, which is known as Golden Temple. The Operation Blue Star was carried out between June 1 and June 8 in 1984 in Amritsar. Operation Blue Star took birth after the rise of Khalistan movement in India. The Khalistan movement was a political Sikh nationalist movement which aimed at creating an independent state for Sikhs inside the current Northwestern Republic of India. Even though the Khalistan movement was started in early 1940s and 1950s, but it gained popularity between 1970s and 1980s. One of the main leaders of Khalistan movement was Jarnail Singh Bhindrewala. Bhindrewala was the leader of Damdami Taksal and was one of the main reasons behind Operation Blue Star. As a leader, Bhindrewala had an influence on Sikh youth. He persuaded many people to follow Sikh rules and tenets. During Operation Blue Star, Bhindrewala and Khalistan supporters took over the Akal Takht complex in Amritsar's Golden Temple, and Bhindrewala was seen as a supporter of the creation of Khalistan. Operation Blue Star specifically was aimed to eliminate Jarnail Singh Bhindrewala from the Golden Temple complex and regain the control over Harminder Sahib. Government official reports put the number of deaths in this operation among the Indian Army at 83 and the number of civilian deaths at 492, though the independent estimates run much higher. To understand the Operation Blue Star completely, let's understand its structures. Operation Sundown was the aborted mission which was planned by Indian intelligence agency RAW to abduct Bhindrewala. It was to be performed by the Indian Army commandos, but the then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi aborted it before its inception due to the fear of high possibility of civilian casualties. Operation Black Thunder was the second phase of Operation Blue Star. The first phase was carried out on April 30, 1986, while the second Operation Black Thunder began on May 9, 1988. It was carried out by the Black Cat Commandos of NSG, National Security Guards, to remove Sikh militants from the Golden Temple. Operation Blue Star was divided into two parts. Operation Metal. It was limited to Golden Temple, but it also led to Operation Shock, the capturing of suspects from outskirts of Punjab and neutralize them. Operation Woodrose was launched throughout the Punjab. The operation was carried out by Indian Army using tanks, artillery, helicopters and armored vehicles. Main aim of this operation was to find out the supporters of Khalistan movement and then neutralize them. The government faced a lot of backlash in 1984 as they had barred media from entering Punjab altogether. Media personnel were put on a bus and were dropped off at Haryana border as there was a curfew situation in Punjab. No mode of transportation was available for them to travel. Whoever reached was not allowed to enter the Punjab as well. The military assault led to the tensions across members of Sikh community worldwide. Many leaders of Sikh religion showed their concern and took Operation Blue Star as an attack on Sikh religion. Government employees in many departments left the administrative jobs as by condemning the action taken by the government of India. Soldiers of Sikh regiments and many Sikh soldiers from other regiments had also resigned from the post and left the army. To take the revenge of the action on Harminder Sahib Temple, Prime Minister Indira Gandhi was assassinated by two of her Sikh bodyguards on October 31, 1984 for giving permission for the Operation Blue Star. But the death of the Indira Gandhi brought a lot of difficulties for the Sikhs. As per the government records, 3,000 Sikhs were killed after the death of Indira Gandhi alone in Delhi. But the independent estimates say more than 17,000 Sikhs were being killed in northern and central India. This was a small and short video on Operation Blue Star in the history of India. If you like the information, then please share the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon and like the video and comment your opinion. Thank you so much.